Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to validate all signatures in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is an essential step when you need to verify that all the signatures in your document are authentic and haven't been tampered with, especially when dealing with important contracts or legal documents. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your recent files and select the PDF file that contains the signatures you want to validate. This will open your document in the main workspace. Now, since my PDF file's signature is already valid, I'll show you the next step in the process. Look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the Signature Panel button. Go ahead and click on it. This panel is designed specifically for managing and verifying all signature-related activities within your PDF document, making it your central hub for signature validation. Once the Signature panel opens, you'll notice 3 dotted lines in the upper right corner of this panel. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Validate All Signatures. This action tells Adobe Acrobat to check every single signature in your document at once, which is much more efficient than validating them one by one, especially if you're working with a document that has multiple signers. After selecting Validate All Signatures, a dialog box will appear on your screen. This is Adobe's way of confirming that you want to proceed with the validation process. Click OK to continue. The software will now begin verifying each signature against its digital certificate to ensure authenticity and integrity. Another dialog box will appear once the validation process is complete. This confirmation window shows you the results of the validation. Click OK again to acknowledge these results and close the dialog box. At this point, all signatures in your document have been validated and you can see their status directly in the signature panel. Finally, it's crucial to save your work. In the upper right corner of the screen, click the Save button. This ensures that the validation information is stored within your PDF file, so anyone who opens it later can see that the signatures have been properly verified. And there you have it. You've successfully validated all signatures in your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro, ensuring the authenticity and integrity of your important files. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.